Find the numbers c and d such that -2, 3 is a solution of the system cx minus 4y equals 7 and 3x plus dy equals 8. Now what does it mean that the ordered pair is a solution? Well, that means if you substitute -2 for x and 3 for y, it should make both of these statements true. Notice if we substitute -2 for x and 3 for y, the only variable that will be left in that equation will be c. So let's do that. Let's substitute -2 for x and 3 for y. And we have -2c minus 12 equals 7. Adding 12 to both sides, -2c equals 19. Dividing both sides by c, we have c equals -19 over 2. Now we can do the same thing with the second equation, substituting -2 for x and 3 for y. We get an equation that has only d left as a variable. We have -6 plus 3d equals 8. Adding 6 to both sides, 3d equals 14. Dividing both sides by 3, d equals 14/3. And we have found c and d, and the answer would just be that c equals -19/2 and d equals 14/3.